if I can show you how to make money using the Home Business Academy $10 app in 2025, would you be interested in doing that? You can get started with the Home Business Academy for $10 and earn $8 residual income per month per person who sticks with the Home Business Academy Let's Go app. But the thing is, once you get someone into the Let's Go app, there's a chance that they can upgrade to the HBA Funnel Builder, which pays $20 per month residual income. Now the investment for that is $25 per month, but you earn $20 per month in residual income. And if they should decide they need to learn how to do traffic and convert that traffic into sales, then they can come into the HBA Premium for $120 per month, where you would earn $100 per month in residual income, which totals out to be $128 per month in residual income. Now, I want you to understand something. The goal of my goal for you is this: for you to come in at the lowest interest barrier, which means I want you to come in at the $10 per month. Don't worry about the funnel builder. Don't worry about HBA Premium or any of the other products. I just want you to focus right now on the $10 per month, okay? Let's Go app, which can earn you $8 in residual income, because once you get in that and you start bringing people in, those people may decide to go for the HBA Funnel Builder or to go to HBA Premium. So you have to decide, what is your goal? How much money do you want to earn per month? Now, I want you to understand something. I am not guaranteeing you that you're going to earn any income in the HBA Funnel Builder or anything that I promote. I'm not guaranteeing you anything, because I don't know if you're willing to put in the work. I don't know if you're willing to do what I'm doing right now, which create videos, which I think is the best way to do it. But I'm going to show you in this video a way that you can do it without even having to create videos. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to show you proof that this works. I'm going to show you the actual Let's Go app. I'm going to show you, how to set your goal, whatever your goal is for earning residual income online, the calculator that we can have so you can set that goal for you. Then I'm going to show you how to get started. So right now I'm going to drop down, and then we are going to go to the next step. Cool. So as you can see in this video, you can see my name up here at the top. Hi, Richard. These are the commissions I have earned since I have been with the Home Business Academy. And I'm going to be honest with you, I should have earned more, but I caught this shiny object syndrome, and I started drifting off doing other things. You can see those videos, here on my YouTube channel. I started doing other things, but if I had stuck with, the Home Business Academy, and which is what I'm trying to tell you, please stick with it. Don't go drifting off to other things that come across your, your desk or your laptop or whatever the case may be. But I've earned up to $61,000, with the Home Business Academy alone. And you can do that as well. Now you see the FTC disclaimer here. Okay. So you see that, but this works if you are willing to put in the work. And my advice to you is to focus on the Home Business Academy. Okay. Focus on one platform that you are going to market on, and then just watch your results. What is it that you need to change? What is it that you need to do? What's not working? What's working? And how can you tweak that to make it work for you? So these are my commissions here. As you can see, $61,571.96, 159 paid commissions, 309 meals provided total just by me alone. And one of the things that the Home Business Academy does is they work with Feed My Starving Children. And so some of the earnings that, I bring in and other members bring into the HBA, we are, donating that money for a good cause as well. So those are my commissions. Now, the next thing you want to do is set a goal for yourself. The Home Business Academy now has one system, and they have everything here where you can set goals, for yourself using the Let's Go app. But I want to talk about the income calculator right now. So what is your goal? Is your goal $100 per month, an extra $100 per month, extra $500 per month, extra $1,000 per month? What is your goal? So we're just going to use one example right here. So if you want to earn an extra $500 per month, okay, in residual income, and you put that in here, you're going to click calculate. Okay, so your monthly goal is $500. So here's how many customers you need, with each product tier. So all in members, this is you. You have to be an all in member in order to, have, for this particular, what you're seeing right here, all in members, you plus the customer, both all in, is 4 people. Okay, the customers needed are 4, and you will be earning $128 in commission each and every month. Why is this a smart path? With both you and your customers all in with HBA product, you earn a maximum of $128 per month per customer, making your income goals much more achievable. And now that's why I said to come in at the $10, because if you bring in, just think about it. If you bring in 10 people, okay, on the Let's Go level, for the $10 per month. Now, if 4 of those people decide to upgrade, you haven't recruited any more people or brought in any more people. I hate to say recruited or share this with any more people. And those 4 people, just 4 people out of the 10 that you share this with decide to upgrade, then you would be earning, quite a substantial amount of income. So in order to earn that $500 per month at the Let's Go level, you would need 63 people, $8 each per month. For the funnel builder, you would need 25 people at $20 per month. Premium plan, you would need 5 people. Now, the way this is broken down is like this. The Let's Go, the funnel builder, and the premium plan, it is like each sold separately, each is sold separately. You don't have to have Let's Go. You don't have to have the funnel builder. You can just get premium, okay? And if you can share a premium and get 5 people on the premium, then you earn $100 per month times the 5. That is your $500 per month goal, okay? You would need 63 people to hit that $5. You would need 25 people for the funnel builder to hit that 500. But if you had just 4 people that were all in, okay, at $128 per month, you would be at the $500 level. So what if your goal was, let's just look at another. I said 1, let's look at $1,000, okay? Calculate. Then your monthly goal is $1,000. So you would need 8 people to earn that $1,000. Everybody's all in. If you're just doing the Let's Go, you'll need 125 people. If you're just doing the funnel builder, you'll need 50 people. If you're just doing the premium, you'll need 10 people. But if everybody is all in, okay, then you only need 8 people. Now, going back to the example that I used, if you had 10 people, if you only got 10 people, and 8 out of that 10 decided, hey, I'm going all in, then you have now reached your $1,000 per month goal, providing that they stay. Now, do the math. If you want $2,000 per month, let's go to 2,000. Okay, calculate. You will need 16, of course. That's just 8 times 2. Same thing. But you will need 200 on the Let's Go, 100 on the funnel builder, 20 on the premium. So if you brought in 20 people and 16 out of that 20 decided, I'm going all in, and you haven't brought in or shared this with anyone else but those 20 people, you are now earning $2,000 per month. So the question is, what is your real goal? How much do you want to earn per month? You make that decision and you can go from there, okay? So next, the Let's Goal app itself. This is the Let's Goal app that you will be coming in and investing $20 per month for. This is for your personal development. This is going to help you, get your mindset right. You can set your purposes, your affirmation, your meditation and prayer, gratitude, read, visualization, visualize, exercise, stretch, journal, all of that, plan my day, all of that is inside of this Goal app. Today's mantra. You get everything inside of here. The habit tracker, the simple nutrition tracker. If you feel like you need to lose some weight, create your goals for the day. You have a mantra over here. You have today's task that you can add in your notes. If you come over here, you're going to see your purpose. You can do your purpose right here. All of that information is right here as well. Self-confidence formula. You can put quotes in here. You can add your own quotes, or you can do the Let's Go quotes, and you have settings here. If you come back to notes, you can do notes here. You can set up all kinds of notes in here, all of that. You have a journal in here where you can do your journaling. If you love journaling, you can do that inside of the Let's Go app. I think we looked at quotes, gratitude. You have your gratitude. What are you grateful for today? What are you grateful for right now? Okay. And then we have inside of here, you have the social as well. So you'll get access to that in here as well. And you can see all the people who have earned commissions over here on this side. If I go to next and just scroll up, you can see all of the people who have earned commissions this time, today, and just throughout this entire system. So you'll see all of that. You see here, congratulations, Richard Harrison, on making a sale 13 hours ago. So that was just a little while ago. Okay. Jalen Graham just joined. Welcome to HBA. So he joined me. So I'm going to go in here and welcome him. Okay. So you have access to that. But understand that Let's Go app is $10 per month. You earn $8 residual income. The funnel builder is $25 per month. You earn $20 residual income. The premium is $125 per month. You earn $100 residual income. The financial literacy is where you can earn a one-time sale. Now, understanding something, people think that you have to come in and build funnels and things like that in order to make money online. And yes, you need a funnel. Yes, you need to be building your email list. But what the Home Business Academy does inside of here under the affiliate Fast Start, they are going to show you how to start making money, how to earn the most income in HBA as fast as possible with the least effort, even if you are brand new. This is for brand new people, and this is even for immediate and seasoned marketers as well, because this can help you in your training. So you're going to watch this video. It's going to give you the information that you need, the marketing materials that you need, resources that you need in order to get started. You follow this video. Now, the reason I want you to follow this video is because maybe you're not willing to do what I'm doing right now, and that's creating a YouTube video. Maybe you're not willing to do Facebook Reels, Instagram Reels, YouTube, TikTok videos, or whatever the case may be. This is going to show you how to make money using the Home Business Academy $10 app in 2025 if you follow Paul and Mike's instructions. So it's just that simple. That's how you can earn, money with the Home Business Academy. Now, like, once again, I'm not promising you that you're going to earn, that your efforts is going to determine if you reach your goal or not. So if you're ready to get started, you can click the link in the description. There are 2 links down there. One is going to take you to this page right here. You can listen to Paul in his video, learn some more about the Let's Go app. Or if you're ready to get started, go to the second link and you're going to click this page. You're going to come to this page here, put in your information and click get started for $10 per month. Tick this box and you are good to go. It's just that simple. You have to make up your mind. You have to make a decision. The thing about it is, and I fell into this trap thinking that no, there was a problem with the Home Business Academy, or there was a problem with this product or with this service that I promoted. It wasn't the product or the services, it was me. And anytime that you're not earning or making money online or being successful online, it's not necessarily the system or the company, it's probably you. Now, there are some, I will say this, there are some products and services that try to keep you in that lost state where you won't make money, but that's not HBA. So go ahead on right now, click the link in the description, get started with HBA today. You're going to see a video that's going to take you to this page here. This page here, or this page, depending on what link you click. Get started with the Let's Gold app so you can start earning triple residual income. I'm not promising you that. You have to put in the work, but go ahead and get started right now. I will see you on the inside. My name is Richard Harrison. Have a great day today and a better day tomorrow.